Hi everyone, I have a diamond painting unboxing to do. So here it is. You can see the picture there. So it was a bit squashed in the box when it arrived, so I'm hoping it's not damaged. Here we go. So here we have an acrylic tree. I've never actually had one of these before. I've done the Craft Buddy Christmas tree, but not this one, not anything like this one. I've seen quite a few that I would like to do, but so that's the design. And then you get your pen boat wax and some bags. And let's so you get 2 of these hanging. There's the Santa. It's just one-sided. And then looks like 2 bases. Oh well. We'll work that one out when it comes to it. Oops. Put these back. And then we have all these lovely colours. Looks like a few packs of specials. And this colour, I like that one. These ones. Gold ones. And the final bag of that one. Let's move that out of the way so that it so that's all the colours. You will see this uploaded on Christmas Day because I did order one for Jenny. Hi Jenny, happy Christmas. So you will see this uploaded on Christmas Day so that she can open her present, and so it doesn't get spoilt for her. So I would like to wish everybody a very happy Christmas, and I will see you on the next video. Thanks for watching.